How to change age guidelines on your Roblox game. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in order to add a maturity level or change an age guideline to your Roblox game, which is useful for players to see, follow the steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your web browser, then go to roblox.com and log into your account. Now tap on the create option in the top of the screen in order to go to create a HUD. Now on the left, click on Creations and find the game that you want to update. For example, let's go for Dumb Kids Place. Now scroll down to the left side of the audience, and there you will see the option of maturity and compliance, that is between communication settings and localization. Tap on it. Now click on Start to begin the questionnaire. Answer the questions honestly, as Roblox will use your answers to determine the appropriate age rating for your game. The answers will vary depending on your game's content. And after answering, you will see the content maturity label, example minimal. Click on Submit, and to verify, click on the three dots on the left and then click on View on Roblox. You should now see the maturity level displayed on your game's page. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.